Comparing products is a useful tool when there is confusion between similar products. To be able to compare products, you must first log into your cloverimaging.com web user account. Once logged in, you are able to search for products that are on your customer contract. You can add products to the product comparison list from both the search results page and the product details page. On search results, hover your mouse over the product thumbnail image and click on the Compare triangle icon. On the product details page, this link is located in the purchase box. Once the product is in your comparison list, a pop-up message will confirm this action and give you the option to compare the products in your list. You may add as many products as you like to your comparison list. Once you have all the products in the comparison list, click on the Compare Now link on the bottom of the right-hand side navigation. This will pop up a new browser window with all the products you added to the list. This view arranges products horizontally, making it easier for you to compare each product's details such as price, yield, color, and many more. From this comparison window, you can also add products to your shopping cart. Simply enter the required quantity and click the Add to Cart button. Rest assured, even after you close the comparison window, your items are still in your cart. From there, you can view your cart, continue to check out, or keep browsing for more products. If this tutorial has not answered your question, or if you require additional assistance, you can use the live chat feature found on the bottom right-hand corner of cloverimaging.com, or email us at websupport@cloverimaging.com.